Hello and welcome viewers to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell about the world top 10 supercomputers. These are the most intelligent computers in the world. So let's start with the first one. The first one is Frontera, whose operating system is Linux. It is made in America. An MFT company is Texas Advanced Computing Center. The second is IBM Summit, whose operating system is IBM and it is made in America. The third one is Sunway Taihu Lite, whose operating system is Linux. It is made in China. Its memory is 1.31 PB and speed is 105 petaflops and its manufacturing company is National Supercomputing Center. And the fourth one is Tanhe 2, whose country is China. It is made in China and the memory is 1375 TB and speed is 33.86 petaflops and MFT company is Sun Yat-sen University. Then the fifth one, the Titan. Its operating system is Linux and it is made in America. Its memory is 693.5 terabyte and speed is 17.59 petaflops. MFT company is Oak Ridge National Laboratory, Cray. And the sixth one is Sequoia, whose operating system is Linux and it is made in America. Its memory is 1 lakh 572,864 GB and speed is 12 petaflops and manufacturer company is IBM. And the seventh one is Cake Computer, whose operating system is Linux and it is made in Japan. Its memory is 1,410,048 GB, speed is 10.5 petaflops and manufacturer company is Fujita. Eighth one is Myra. Its country is America. Manufacturing company is IBM. Operating system is Linux and memory is not defined, but the speed is 8.16 petaflops. And the ninth one is Pizdiant, which is made in Switzerland and manufacturing company is Cray Inc. and its speed is 6.2 petaflops. Operating system is Linux and its memory is also not defined. And the 10th one is Stampede, whose country is America, manufacturing company Dell, operating system Linux, memory is 192,192 GB and speed is 5.2 petaflops. The 11th one is ZQ Queen, whose manufacturing company is IBM, country is Germany, operating system is Linux, memory is 458,752 GB and speed is 5 petaflops. The 12th one is Vulkan, whose manufacturing company is IBM, country is America, operating system is Linux, memory is 393,216 GB and speed is 4.3 petaflops. So that's all friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to share